So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to let you know the top browser extension which I am using as for increasing my productivity as a developer. So let's directly jump over to the video. So first extension which I am recently come into the touch, the extension name is Daily Dev. So basically if we see here, the Daily Dev is a official website, and here you can find many blogs regarding the latest technology in the dev side, like React.js, JavaScript, blockchain, crypto, and you can find security, tech news, and all of that stuff. And let me show you how you can install that. For installing any extension, it is same step you have to follow. You have to just go to the Chrome extension store and go to the first link, and then just search for that extension. Let's say here we have to search daily dev, so and you can find that extension, and you have to just here it is showing remove from Chrome. In your case, if you don't install that extension, then you get the option that adds the extension in the Chrome, and by clicking on that you can install that extension in your browser and work and get the benefit of that extension. So let me show you what this daily dev does. So let me just off that, and then if you see in new tab here, the simple that Google search page is showing. But now if I am enabling that extension and now I am opening the new tab, then you can see that daily dev website page here, or that extension add some of the blogs, and here that UI is the UI is very nice. This is my personal view. Then you can find all the blogs, and you can read like reading as a developer is very important things. You have to read the docs or blogs regularly for stay updated with the new scenario in the market or new trends. So yeah, this is important. So yes, and that's how this daily dev extension works. Then in our extension list, the second extension is Dagger, and as a developer or as a coder, the Dart theme is preferred by most of the developers. So yeah, in browser you also get a Dart theme with type of this extension. Let me just show you the basic demo. So here you can see that this is a website basic page, and here nothing dark mode is applied. So here you can find our extension, and you have to just on it, and you can see that dark mode is applied to this website. Then we have Json Viewer, and this is Json Viewer. Json Viewer is helpful when you are saying the API data in the browser itself. It will very nicely prettify or the format that it's on to you, so that it should display become nice in your browser window. So I'm not showing you, but yes, you can try it on your own. Just make one node app or call any random API and see that data there of JSON viewer and without JSON. Then in our list we have Octo3 GitHub extension. Here in the title you can see that this extension is something to do with the GitHub. So let me just open any random repo in my GitHub, and I will show you how this extension can help. To first of all, let's just opt that extension, and let me open any random repo, and here you can see that this is one of my repo, and here you can see that nothing is showing. But what this extension Octato tree does that. Let me just show you. If you are using VS Code, then you in the left side you can easily find all the file tree type structure. So that same thing here with our repository file that this extension will do. Like here you can see that after on that extension, here you get that nice pop-up window, and here you can find all that. Like this is our template folder, and in the template folder we are index.html, and if you click any file, then here our GitHub page, our GitHub link will change as per our click. So yeah, this is very useful when we have to see code on the browser itself rather than cloning the repo in your local system. So yeah, and then we have another one extra extension I'm showing you is like React developer tools and Redux developer tools. It depends like which technology you are using in, and that as per the technology you are going to install that. If that technology has that Chrome extension for developer, then you have to install. Like this is not general, so I'm not telling. React install, and then we have this extension, and I must say, as a developer or as a simple browser user, you have to install some extension or some Chrome extension which will tell you that how many the site visit, how many visitors the current site have, because it is very you can and one of the main use is like if you go into the random site or the site which you never visit, then you can easily find the data in the click in by clicking the one simple icon in your extension bar. So the name of the extension I am again repeating. You can also pause the video and get that. The name of the extension is similar sites discover related website. So yeah, and how it is working, like here your GitHub website is open, so and here you can find that icon, so you have to just click on it, and here it will fetch all the data about that domain and also the source. And that GitHub is a very famous website, so it has over the around 350 million visitors per month. So yes, it is authenticated website, and also the country rank is very high, our category rank is very high. So yeah, this is our basic detail about GitHub website. And then we have timer. As a developer, timer is not as in your development code, or you are coding a website, you are coding in your browser, or let's say you are making website, and timer is not needed. But when you are working, then maybe it will help you. But I'm showing you how this, because and this timer app is very useful. Like here it's just showing you time, and then you can start, and yeah, you can how can I explain, like you can basically set like in 20 minutes I have to done this part in this website or this part in this app. And yeah, you can use of that, because one thing in human nature till this my life and understand, like if you decide that I going to do that work in this amount of time, then there is a high possibility that you will do that work in that amount of time, or let's say yes. And if you don't decide that time, then it depends on you how you are going to work. Like, this is simple, and this is my view. And then we have web developer. And again, this if you are learning website design or website building or anything related to the website, then you have to install that web developer. And what this extension will do, I will show you in brief. Like here you can see that you can do anything with the website. You can disable all the style. You can see that how this website is look now after removing all the style. Then you can also disable all the links. You can edit CSS in this, and there are many things you can do with this website. You can do with this extension, and I'm heavily recommended that use this website in your daily routine. Yes, you can disable JavaScript also, and disable notification also. All the things you can do in just one browser extension. So yeah, this is very useful. So again, I'm repeating all the extension. First of all is daily dev, then we have dark reader, then we have Json Viewer extension, then Octave, then Redux developer tools and React developer tools are like not mandatory, but yeah, if you are using React and Redux, then yeah, you can try this. You can try it. So you have to try this because in development you need it. Then we have similar site set and similar sites, and then we have web developer. And as far as I concern, I am highly recommended to use daily dev and then similar sites and web developer and Octave. Yeah, this extension you can use, and this is a list of all the extension browser extension which I am using currently. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and let's see next video when the next video come out. Till then, like the video and do whatever you want to do, man.